Okay, hi. Hello, I am here to walk you through the server because I don't really have much time and I don't want to talk too much. So, I'm here with my alt today. He is Discord because his skin is used down over there. But yeah, let me just get my script up here. Okay. So, intro. Why am I doing this video? Kind of already explained it. The timings are like with getting everyone on at once just to walk them through. It's hard. I just wanted to do a video. Anyone could watch it anytime and ask questions. Just provide a timestamp and stuff. I'll go over that later. So this server can be played. It's called Visible Earth SMP. And these shaders, by the way, they're not on the server. That this is my client. If you never realized, but this can be played on pretty much every device: Xbox, iPad, Switch, computer. Any Bedrock Edition, any device that has Bedrock Edition, and any device that has Java Edition. But this is a Java Edition server, so I'm on my Java Edition client here, and then my alt is on Bedrock Edition, so I can show, the differences between them. Bedrock Edition is buggy. It's more buggy. So it's recommended to play on Java. But anyway, so yeah, there will be bugs. It's gonna be buggy, and some I'll be able to fix, and some I can't fix. But and you guys won't be able to fly like me. So there is a Discord server which I do recommend joining, as I'll post all the announcements there. You can make suggestions and report bugs, and that's where you can start wars and stuff. And it's just way easier to communicate. I find it a lot easier to communicate there. So yeah, that if you don't have Discord, then you should get it. But I mean, if you're a person like Simon, then well, dang it. You have to talk to me on iMessages. Anyway, we'll go over the lobby now. I'm probably gonna go over here and do this on here. Like, why is it so laggy today? Like, Java Edition's so much smoother. Let me check to make sure I'm still recording. I only have 2 screens. I need like 3 for this. But we'll do the items first. What the heck? Dang it, Windows! Do you have to do like a background refresh? There we go. Alright. So this is the warp menu. What are you doing, Windows? Oh my gosh, you're being annoying today. So basically this is a menu you can teleport to. You can teleport through just clicking these. It takes 3 seconds for this player, a regular player, to teleport, but for me and other staff members, it's instant. However, these NPCs, if you can click on them and their teleportation's instant. But through commands in the warp menu, it's not. So we also have pocket mini games, which I will also go over later. This is really fun. I like it. I just have to try my hardest not to get high score on this, because you'll see why later. And then you have your stats menu. You know, there's tons of stuff here, and yeah. Oh, okay. Well, I did that. Okay, yeah. NPCs. I already went over those. So this teleports to the SMP, and then this goes to testing world. This is the best players board. It's best players, but like, it's the best group. I don't want to change that. And over here, this is social media. You can tell by that little text there. We have my YouTube Discord, my YouTube, and then the Discord you should be in, the Visible Earth SMP Discord. That's the join code. You just do, I don't know, just core.com/invite/that, I believe. And boards. Okay, you know, I'm gonna go on Java now. So rules: be respectful to everyone. Don't hack anything related. Don't abuse bugs. Report them. I'm
putting these.
Sorry about that. I knew that was gonna happen. I'll try to pause it next time. Don't beg for something that's like a rank or money or just anything really. Is my desktop audio? Oh, frick. Hello? I'm trying to take this in one take, but this really isn't working. Okay, I'm back. Okay. I need to get my script up again. Alright, this is going really well. So over here's the info board. You can just fly. You can read that, but everything's also explained in my, you know, I'll just read it. Visible Earth SMP is an SMP where the Earth has the map. The scale is 1 to 2,000. You can view the map by typing /map. Members are split into groups where they have chosen their leader, name, and starting country, which you should have already done. If you haven't, then your group name is literally group number something. Wars can happen from time to time and only declared by the owner. That's important. You have to join the Discord in order to declare wars unless if you really want to type through iMessages, but I'd rather you submit a ticket instead, which I'll go over later. And the only permanent admin, the server is managed by a visible person is hosted by him, which is me. It's upstairs. The server may be turned on, may be turned off at sometimes. You can run the command such commands, which is the to everyone. Have fun, everyone. Okay. And over here's the economy board. This is where the S&P's economy is very simple. Starting off how to get money. There are ways. Which there are ways. Selling. Oh, gosh, dang it. I'll just say 3 ways. Okay, it's fine. Just don't worry about that. You are able to sell your resources like iron, diamonds, netherite, etc. on the market. You're able to sell other items you own in the market to other players by getting the top score in pocket minigames. You earn money too. You can buy things on the server shop, which is managed by the owner. You can buy things from the players of the player shop, which has 3 categories: global, local, and private. More information on the Discord server. You can check them out. Okay. This is the meeting room. This has no purpose, really. I will probably never use this, but I mean, it's pretty epic, not gonna lie. If you press tab, you get the tab list in Java Edition. You get the time, which may or may not be useful for you guys. You have the, you know, the NPCs there. The yellow numbers, the ping. I have 7 ping. Normally it's lower though. It'll say welcome, and you know that. Over here on the right side, everyone will have this. It'll say your player name, your ping, and the amount of money you have. There we go, that's better. Server, how many players are online, and the TPS is ticks per second, and then the RAM usage. And Johnny is gonna yell at me because he thinks that there are literal rams, like animals, in the computer. So I'm excited for that. Let's see. What else we have? Why can't I click resume game? Dang it, Bedrock Edition. Okay, so now we'll go over warping. Go over all the warping. Okay. So, you can teleport to the SMP, which right now I'm just standing on this tree. Don't like that, okay. And then you can go to a hub. Actually, I should probably be showing you this on Bedrock Edition if I could, and if it would let me click resume game. Oh, and it's about to crash. Alright. Alright, I guess for now, you go to testing world. This is just testing world. I think it looks pretty cool. We'll go over that tree later. There's something really important about it, okay? Hi, Piggy. Bedrock Edition, what are you doing? Oh my gosh, just close already. Oh my gosh. Seriously, computer? Bedrock Edition just reset my resource packs, and I have to look at the default Minecraft stuff. Oh, and by the way, you can't break blocks in the hub here. If I could show you. Yeah, you can't. If we go back, so let me show you teleporting. So I can click to warp to the lobby. Okay, you can't warp to the other world because you don't have permission. I'll have to teleport you there on your own. That's just for other stuff that we have. And, you know, I already showed you that, but you can warp to the SMP and testing. It's just by clicking on it. You do /SMP, you can teleport that way too. Teleporting is slower on Bedrock Edition. I mean, it's not that bad, but it's still slower. Alright, what's next? What's next on my list here? Stats. And then Pocket Mini Games. Okay. If you go to the hub, I will show you stats. I'm actually gonna do this on Java Edition, it'll be easier. So you have your IP, which is your default gateway, so don't even try hacking me. And your UUID. The world player list. Currently there are no players on the SMP. Currently the players me are on the lobby. Click to view player list, you click, see the player list there. Oh yeah, something stuck in my throat there. You're in the group owner, which is true. The amount of money you click to show the leaderboard. These are seriously just random stats. You can look through this, but I'll just hover over them so you can see. Alright. Common stats, kills, blocks and items, movement, deaths. You can click to go back. Server stats, so last join, time played, first join date, and display name. Oh, and you got the IP there and the port, which I'll go over later. And Pocket Mini Games. So how do you play? Basically here, you can scroll through. These are all the single player games, so you can play. You just, I guess I'll just do gap jump as an example. And here, you know, Windows! Oh my gosh! I'll do it on here. So, here you have gap jump. And this looks really ugly on Bedrock because why? Why are they angled like that? Why? But you click to charge, and there's your charge bar, and you have to jump to the other ends. I gotta try not to get a high score here. Okay, that's good. And it'll show like your score there. As you can see, it didn't count as a high score. Now, high scores are what gets you money here. If you get first, that's 500. Second, that's 400. Third, 300, 200, 100. And so tell me how much points I scored. But you need a minimum of 10 points to enter the high score rankings. So keep that in mind. There's always a minimum for each game, and it's different for every game. There's also multiplayer games. So I can show an example of this. What should we do? Rock, paper, scissors. Pretty basic. Let's see here. I'm in a game, so I'll go to main menu, and then it'll show up. I can click to challenge, and I can click accept or deny. But on Bedrock Edition, you can't do that. So you just type /PG multiplayer, or no, it's dual accept. Accept. You just click that, and now we're playing rock, paper, scissors. Scissors. Rock. And I got the point. Paper. Guess, what if I do paper? Draw. Paper. Rock. Paper covers rock. Yeah. Alright, and I'll just win here. Rock. Scissors. Alright, but it's pretty simple. I don't believe there's any... Oh yeah, here's another thing. You'll get these, unusable inventory spaces sometimes. It basically, that slot is not on Java, so you can see it there. If I go in Java Edition, it's not there. So yeah. You can also spectate players. You just click to spectate. You can see exactly what they're doing. And there's a chest, whenever you're using a GUI, there's a chest that goes above you. I don't know. Like, I mean, I guess probably because you can't, like... Dang it! Oh my gosh! You can see why I don't like Bedrock. Just join. I gotta close my door. Okay, so with these pocket minigames, it's different on how you play them each time, but as you can see, it has a description there on how to play. So yeah, on Bedrock Edition, you can't right click to view the high score. So yeah, but anyway, here I am. This is the SMP. This is actually the where you'll spawn on the SMP, I'm hoping. But it says welcome to spawn of the SMP. If you're new, get in contact with staff member. Those are definitely bar graphs, okay? They're bar graph. It's bar graph, okay? It says have fun, and then we will be landing very soon. So that's a little cool thing that they have that I put in there. And then these are 87 flags. If you didn't know, if you played on on the 2 SMPs ago, you would know what this is, an 87 flag. But it's still there. So we have this diamond block here. You got that, totally bar graph. But anyway, if I got it, TP myself to 0, 100, 0. Okay. This is great. I don't know what the heck I am. Alright, well, whatever. It's the SMP. Let me pull up my script again. So, basically, if you are new, you'll have to get in contact with me, and I will teleport you to your starting country, which you should have listed in your form, and I'll just have to teleport you there. Map. So groups. We'll actually go over groups first. Groups, as you should know, is your groups. You have group members. You should have chosen everything that I have given you. If you haven't, then get that to me as soon as possible. But the thing is, your members might not always be your members. You never know what could happen. You could have group members freaking bail on you and just leave. You are allowed to leave your group at any time. It's just, I wouldn't. I mean, if something really bad happens, then I understand. But you can leave. Probably wouldn't do it at the start, because that's probably a bad idea. But anyway, let's go to the map. You do /map. You can just click. Yes, but you can't do that in Bedrock Edition. But here's the map. I'm in Africa. Here. But yeah, it's a flat map. So obviously things are a little weird. Okay, you got every country, everything here. Not much to say, but if you go on, you have a little compass. This is the time. I really like how it says, it shows like what time it'll actually be. Markers. So these are the world borders. So world borders can only be squares for some reason. So if you do try to jump off or go out of this edge here, you can't. So don't even try. Also, there is a height limit of 870 blocks. 870. That was amazing. Suggested by Logan, by the way. But you can't go up that high. Not even like you can. I don't even, good luck trying to figure that out. I mean, you could try like a TNT launcher with Riptide. I tried a Riptide 10 trident and I couldn't even get that high. But you have your location, so wherever your cursor's pointing is, location. It shows where you are. If we're looking up here, it probably is a little hard to see. But yeah, so if we come down here, this is really cool. If you can't get in, if you can't get in, to the world, I don't know, for some reason you can't join, you're not allowed or something, and you have, your phone you can contact through this chat here. It's probably really hard to see. What? Oh, dang it. Wait, what? How the heck does it know who it is? This is a chat. It says this is a chat. I think you can't spam. Yeah, that's what it is. Okay, well, as you can see, if you look, it says web, the name. I don't even know how the heck it knows who it is, but whatever. It's probably just I have my client on. But it shows, locations of players, so it shows who they are, armor, and health. If you come over to the side here, you can view the player list, and you can actually go into 3D. This isn't fully rendered yet because I realized that my CPU is at 90 degrees Celsius while rendering, so I just stopped it. I didn't want it to explode or something. But yeah, this is 3D, so it looks like really cool. I mean, again, it looks so real. Like if I just sent you this picture without you being able to zoom in, you would probably think it was just the world. But nope. These are the caves. So the green is higher. Obviously, there are mountains over here, so it's higher. We come over here. This is like where India is. So this is like Mount Everest, I believe. But then really dark blues, like really deep, so you can see these caves here. So yeah, that's pretty cool. They're everywhere, you know. You have World the Nether. This hasn't been rendered, but as players join, it'll render as we go. But I don't even know like how the heck do you even see anything in this? I mean, set. Yeah, you could sort of see a little bit. And the other 3D version, which I guess you could sort of see little things there. The world, the end. End cities are not generated yet, just the middle part. You can see 3D. You can go 3D. And then you have the player shop, which actually I should probably just disable this because I completely forgot that I added this. So. But I mean, 3D the player shop. Look at it while you can. And then the testing world. Oh gosh. World generation. No, it's the map generation actually. It looks pretty cool though. Spawns somewhere around here. Yeah, that's the tree. That I'll show you later. But yeah, that's pretty much that. Oh wait, that's my video script. I kind of want that. Moving on, wars. So if you have a war, you can submit a ticket, which I'll talk to later. Also, there's AFK, so like if you wait too long, you'll be AFK, and it'll just show that you're AFK. I can only declare wars. So you come to me, you're like, hey, this person's annoying me. You know, I want to declare war or something. Then come to me, submit a ticket, and I'll be like, okay, yeah, sure. Why do you start? I don't know, that's up to you. You know, it could be over land. It could be like about some item. I don't know. You guys could come up with some crazy things. So testing world. Now, why do we have this? It's because Bedrock players connecting to a Java server, it can be buggy, you know. There will be bugs and some I can't fix, like I said before. So this is here. Does time even advance here? I don't even know. I'll have to fix that. But you can build with your teams. But this is the world shared between all teams. Like this is a shared world between everyone, so keep in mind that what you build here, other people can see. So if you're trying to build something secret, this is not the place to do that. Obviously. So you can now for Java Edition players, this is good because if you're on Java Edition, it's you know, it can be hard sometimes to create a server on your own, so this is really useful. You could just easily connect right here. So yeah, if you want to go into creative, you can just /tg c. It's just /tgm because testing, game mode, and then C is creative, S is survival. Yeah, be careful, don't die here. Tree. This is the tree of life. You're probably wondering, so let me share with you the history of this tree. First off, this used to be like an actual branch. Like these leaves they weren't here. Like this was like a branch, just branched off the tree, and it looked weird at first, yeah. And Logan, when he saw this tree, he hated it. I don't know why he hated it so much, but he did. He just hated it. So I wanted to keep it here because I thought it was unique. I thought it was cool. And then Caden comes along. He's like, oh yeah, let's make this like a wonderful tree. He adds these decorations and stuff. And I call it the Tree of Life. So what I've done now is Logan kept trying to break it. But good luck, Logan, trying to break it now. You literally can't break it at all. You can't place blocks. If you try to like TNT at the top, it won't work. Any TNT pistons won't work. You can't break the tree now. You can't break it. The only thing you can do is give it offerings. You can give it your offerings, and you can't pick back up the offerings. Anyway, yeah, that's really cool. I love the tree. The tree's nice. Now we'll go over the economy, but first I'm gonna fix the bugs I already found. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay, that took a little bit longer than expected, but you know, whatever. Okay, so now we're doing the economy. Oh, I should probably want to go to Bedrock Edition for this one. So yeah, well, I'm just gonna go in the S&P. That's from testing. But if you use a shop, here you have all the shops laid out. You have the server shop, the mineral shop, and the player shop. So you can left click to teleport to the global shop, or right click to make a private transaction. Oh my god, they're so loud. Okay. So we'll click the server shop. You can only do this in the S&P world. So it's pretty simple. You have your balance here. That's inappropriate. No, we can't have that. No. 83 econ set 87. There we go. That's better. You have your 3 categories. You have items, blocks, and spawn eggs. And you can switch between different pages. You can go back, server shop. Let's say I want to purchase a totem. Are you sure you would like to purchase 1 totems? You can say yes or no. If I say no, it'll say canceled. Let's say these don't work on Bedrock Edition, so you need to type it in. You can say confirm. And let's say yes. Error, you don't have enough money. Okay, well, it would purchase it. What am I doing? But that's pretty simple. You guys can look over this, but I'll just go through these pages here. Oh yeah, spawn eggs. Lol, there is no next page. Bro, that's so funny. Elder Guardian, you know, you got villagers, those are very useful. And your balance. And mineral shop, a little bit different, but relatively the same. You have your balance, and you can go back. But these are like different tabs. So if I can go in between blocks and items, basically when it has like a 2, that doesn't mean it comes in packs of 2. It means that there are 2 options. Okay, so make that clear. The 2 means there are 2 options. Left click and right click, okay? And that's because when you right click on Java, it takes half the stack. When you left click, it takes the full stack. That's how we detect this on Bedrock. I'll go over that a little bit more later. You can sell any amount of that item, and you can sell stacks of that item. So if I like right click, I can sell 1 stack, but I don't have enough materials. Trust me, this works. I've tested it. I hope it does. If it doesn't, make me mad. But then you can't sell stacks in netherite, because no. I mean, oh gosh. You can sell netherite scraps, but you can't sell stacks in netherite. Now I can buy blocks. If I go to items, I can buy items then. So this switches between blocks and items. This switches between sell and buying items. It's pretty straightforward. There's no confirmation menu here because everything is reversible here, so I didn't want to program that in. I was lazy. What else do we have? Local and public shops. So we'll go to player shop here. I don't know why this. Okay. So. Oh my gosh, I forgot. I set this up for the pictures. Hey, there's my Riptide 10 Trident. But I'll close that. When you close a shop, Burrow won't tell me because it goes away. I can't change that. But let's say I want to sell some oak plank, which is useless because it's already on the shop. But let's say I want to sell. So sneak plus left click, sneak and punch. Oh yeah, you have to be holding the item. So what I actually recommend doing is holding 1. If you hold 1, it costs $20 to create shop. It's literally 1 iron ingot. It's not expensive. You click pay, and this is the amount that they come in. Okay. So what you set here, let's say if I buy 1, I'll get 2. So it's basically like packs. Like if I set this to 3, it comes in packs. It comes in a pack of 3. Okay? So most people will probably want to set this to just 1. Then it's the price. These don't work. You have to type it in. Say each is $20, which is a complete rip-off. But this is a glitch. Where sometimes there'll just be a title in the screen and you can't get it. You can't close it. If that does happen, you do /title fix. It'll say fixing and it will go away. So, yeah. So, if I right click on my shop, the shop is not buying items from users, but you can buy items from the shop. So if I go to buy items, I can choose the quantity I want to buy. And I can click to confirm. You are getting 2 oak planks, and I am paying $40. So I can click to confirm. You can, there. Okay. That's because I didn't have enough money. But if you go to settings, you can view your settings here. You can stock items. So if I put items in here, I can stock them up. I can't close it because I need to withdraw the items first. You can view the transactions. Purchased how many seconds ago, the amount that I got, and the money I paid. And selling's enabled. I can click to set the amount I want to sell. If I click to enable buying, okay, I can click to enable buying, and people can then buy items. I can sell items to this shop. They can sell items to the shop. So let's say they have some oak planks they want to sell to the shop to get money. Then they can do that if you set this. Now, obviously, if you have both these on, you want this to be lower than the selling, because then they could buy items and then sell it back, meaning they gained money, and then you lost money. Because this, when they sell items to the shop, then it takes money out from your account. So if you Q to disable it, meaning just drop out of the inventory. So just click and then you click out here if you're on mobile. But let me show you this. So first what I'll do, and again, title fix gets rid of it. Why is it doing that? Okay. Shift right click, or just right click. Sell items. So I can sell yeah, right click doesn't work to add 10. Wait, no, is it? No, it's not. But I want to sell 20. So as you can see, the seller can't afford it. So you have to lower it so that they can. Now they can. Now I just lost some planks and gained money. It's kind of weird though, because like I'm the seller, so it didn't really do anything. But again, buying items, if you buy items from the shop, your money takes away from your account and goes into the seller's account. I'm really hoping this makes sense. It's like a little confusing. But then you get items. So you get items when you buy, then you sell this to the shop. And in here, it's called buying and selling, because this, you're selling items. This, you're like, the shop's buying items, or you're buying items. It's a little confusing at first, but hopefully this makes a little sense. Again, disable it. But if you try to disable it, it doesn't do anything. So I'm just gonna close the shop. You have to click it, and then close it. Now I know you probably saw that armor stand. That armor stand I can't fix. It's something you do literally. It's impossible to fix because it's a Java exclusive feature. So I can't fix that. So just keep that in mind. I can't fix that armor stand issue, so don't report it or anything. On Java Edition, I can't see those armor stands, so I forgot to show you that, but whatever. And you can set up local shops. So if you just place down chests, you can actually sneak and left click on the SMP. I believe. Okay, slash SMP, get chests. So yeah, you can also create shops, and those can be like local shops. That's what they're called. Now trading, okay. We're gonna do some trading. So when trading, the thing is with trading, you can scam. Like, it's really easy to scam people when trading. So what I would recommend doing, you'll see later why you can scam, but what I recommend doing is being in a call when doing a transaction and the seller screen sharing to make sure that they're doing what's right. Now why do you trade? Why should you use /trade? It's because it's quick. It doesn't cost any money, and it's just really nice. So let's say I want to sell some jungle saplings, okay? Say I only want to sell half. So I'll hold that in my inventory, and I'll do /trade. You can search who you want to trade, but also shows the players here. So, basically, let's say you can trade with yourself, but I don't know why you would want to. It doesn't do anything. Let's say I want to trade with Visual Plus. Error, not accepting trades. What happened? This actually doesn't show up for you. But why didn't it work? You're probably wondering. Is because if I go to here on Bedrock Edition, what I need to do like it shows Colin GS just tried to trade with you. If you are trying to trade with him, then toggle trades on using command / trade toggle. Trade toggle. You need to have your trades on. Okay? But they automatically turn off after 5 minutes, so random people can't just trade with you when you don't want to. And if you just run that again, it turns them off. Very simple. If I go to here, come back. There. Now I can run. Oh dang it! Such trade. Now I can trade with them. Now it'll ask what's the price. If I set this to a ridiculous amount, so that player can't afford that. But let's say I want to sell these for $10, and I'll type a message. I'll send them a message saying hello! Exclamation point. They'll ask, are you sure you want to trade Jungle Sapling to Visible Plus for $10 with the message hello? If I say yes, it'll say error. That player, wait, what? Hello? Bruh. Okay, so if you try to trade with nothing in your hand, it'll say error, you can't make the trade, there's something in your main hand. So yeah, just make sure you're holding something. Okay, so this was really annoying. It was literally just working freaking yesterday. But I got it to work. Let's see here. I got toggle the trades back on. Trade toggle. So when you trade with someone, it actually turns their trades off again. Just just in case someone forgets. But I'm gonna trade half of this. / trade. One trade with them. So I trade 5 for $5. I'll say hello as the message. Yes. So you won't get this like log stuff, but as you can see, it took it away. If I go to balance, I did 10 from before, but now I have 15. So successfully traded Jungle Sapling $5 with the message hello. So now if we go look at my alt, as you can see, they have 16 now. Then do / balance. They have 85. Remember, I took 10 away from before, so then they had 90 and then minus 90. So, as you can see, yeah, that's proof. So say transaction. Successfully received Jungle Sapling from me for $5. It'll have the message, and then it'll say turn trades off. So, that's pretty cool. That works well. I don't think there's a way to abuse it. I've gone through every single possibility. If they're holding an item in their hand, so they can't be holding an item in their hand. This is just to make sure, because if they have a full inventory, then it wouldn't give you the item, which was a glitch. So I just said, you know what, they must have an empty hand and would put it in their hand. Just makes it a little bit easier. So hopefully that clears everything up. So yeah, this is like 40 minutes already. I'm gonna try to go a little bit faster. Okay, menu navigation. So on Bedrock Edition, things are kind of weird. I already gone over. Oh my gosh, I already gone over a little bit on how, like, it's different. So when you if you have like a mouse, it's left and right click. It's the same. If you have an Xbox controller, I'm pretty sure it's A to pick up the whole stack, which would be left click, and then X to pick up half a stack, which would be right click. Not 100% sure on that, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. So I could turn on my controller here. Yeah, take half. Okay, so if that should, so these buttons don't work on a Bedrock Edition, so I'll just type 10. I want to buy 10. I could A to select Blaze Powder, say no, and that was Blaze Powder. If I take Blaze Rod, yeah, so that does work. Okay, so X is right click and A is left click on controller. If you're on mobile, if you don't know how to take half, you have to hold on the item. You have to hold on the item. Like a half green bar will sort of appear. Once you see that green bar, you just click another spot in the an empty spot in the inventory. If you're left clicking on mobile, you just click on the item and then click another spot in the inventory. A thing on mobile is if you're trying to, let's say there are two options here. Let's say I selected this, so this is like highlighted with a little box. Let's say I want to select the one on the right instead. I have to de-highlight it to then select this one and then move it to a different inventory slot to select it. That because otherwise it would select the one that you don't want. So like I highlight this one, but no, I want to go to the mineral shop. I have to de-highlight this because like when you click on the item, it highlights it, the box around it. If you're on mobile, you know what I'm talking about. You just to select, you just click an empty spot. Okay, it's menu navigation. Now /commands. Here, I'll just yeah, that's right. Okay, /commands. Command server commands. Open this menu. Rules. Do /rules. Just rules. Warp, lobby, hub, SMP testing. I already went over those. Those are teleporting. Player stats opens up the stat menu. I already showed you this, but open this up. Oh, also, if you're on Java Edition, you can actually just click to run. So you see that's my ping. Balance shows your balance. I already did that. Battle top shows the top players. There you go. For some reason, me as an admin, I'm not on there. I don't know why. Group shows what group you're in. Scene. So you could type scene. This was last time they joined. Yeah, there you go. And testing game mode. Already did that. Shop, pay. Oh yeah, pay command. Forgot about that. If I do /pay, Visual Plus, I want to pay him $10. I just sent $10 to his account. Very simple. And you do /pay toggle, which I'm actually going to do. So now I can't select payment. So if I go over here and I try to pay again, I'm not accepting payment. I'm actually going to eco set pay. Gotta get those money amounts correctly. 87, you know. No, what was I doing? I forget. Oh yeah, command set. Pay toggle, trade, and then trade toggle. Already did those. Message. You probably should already know. So you can turn on and off accepting messages. But if you do /message, it's basically like I can message Visual Plus. Hi. Okay? Now I just sent a private message to him. Okay? Privately sends another player message. I can click to show it. If I do message toggle, which I should probably add in there. I will do that after. It will. But it'll turn off your messages so you can't receive. Oh gosh, frick, dang it. Oh gosh. I'll join this again. Okay, so if I message him hi again, I can come over here, and let's say I don't want to type his name. Why am I on half a heart? If I do /r, then I can easily just reply. I don't even have to type their name. And that's what R means. Mail, if I do /mail, where is it? /mail. I can clear my mail, I can read my mail, and I can send my mail. You don't have to send all. So I want to send mail to him. Now this is mainly only useful for if they're not online. So if I say hi, or H apparently, they do /mail read. and then /mail clear to clear it. And if I leave, which I'll leave, I say mail, hi person, yes, yes, good, okay. So I just sent that. Now do you want to join back? Once I join, say you have one message /mail read. There we go. /mail here. Very simple. Okay. AFK you can manually use AFK, and that's not working. I'll have to fix that. Map, you can view the map already. Pocket, you can open the Pocket minigames menu. Pocket help, you can view. Wait. Oh, okay. So you can view the help menu for the Pocket minigames. Yeah, run this again. Wait, was that actually working? Yeah, it was. Okay, good. I think what wasn't working. Yeah, I have to add message toggle. Alright, yeah, sure, okay. Recipe item, you can get the recipe of any item. Music disc. Okay, yeah, there you go. Well. And then title fix, I already did that. Commands, bugs. So yeah, there will be bugs. Some I'm already aware of. You know, with the public shop and the armor stand. Arrows on the shop menu commands. So like when you're selecting the amount on the shop menu, I know I already went over that. Skins. So sometimes Bedrock skins won't work. So if it's not working, you don't have your skin. You have to go to skin. It's a website. I'll put it on the Discord server. But it's you'll go to that website and it's it's namemc.com. Namemc.com, I believe. Does it not put dots? Apparently not. But you go to that website and just give me a name of the player and I'll add that skin. I think it will probably work, but we'll see. Also, features that are exclusive to Bedrock don't work here, but also features that are exclusive to Java. But features that are exclusive to Java work here. So for an example, like, I don't know, cauldron coloring, dyeing colors in cauldron. If you really want to dye colors in cauldron, you have to go to a separate world to do that. You can't do that on Java Edition. What? Okay, trust me that is not the lobby over there. That is another problem with Bedrock Edition, and it is a problem on every server too. It's a problem on every server. I see this on Nether Games all the time. Chunks from your previous world will end up here. That does not happen on Java Edition, but this is Bedrock Edition we're talking about. No, I'm gonna go over Discord. Just quit this. Alright, very nice. I've gotten pretty fast at quitting games, so yeah, I'm pretty good at that. Discord. Hurry! Go faster, please. Hang on a second. Okay, so I'm just gonna be doing this on the desktop version for now. So I'm just gonna be doing this here. But we have I'll go over everything here. Obviously you don't have the staff stuff in these group chats, but some of these group chats. But here are the rules. So respect everyone, no bullying, drama. These are basically copied from my server here. If you can't get Discord, then stay here, admire what we have here, and maybe think about why. Get jealous, okay? If you don't have Discord, get it. Alright, no posting, not safe for work or inappropriate, yeah, whatever. Please don't cuss. Do not spam channels. No obnoxious wishers outside anything unless allowed otherwise. Okay, I'm allowed to use those, alright? Do not abuse commands or glitches. To report them. Use channels as intended. Do not bet. Wow. Use common sense. Don't ban evade. Have fun. And then go to, yeah, whatever. Okay. Just, when you join this server, click this check mark, and you'll be verified. Server info. I'm not going to read this, but here you go. This is, you have the rules, which I'll go over, and then I'll actually just, so automated infractions, if you, I don't know, spam, go against the rules, send bad words, you get temp mute if you do it 3 times in 14 days, for 3 days, and then you'll be kicked if you've done it 4 times in 14 days, and you'll be banned if you've done it 5 times in 14 days. I'll go over these ticket commands, and you got help music, which you can probably figure that out. It's, you just ! help music, and then you can add music to your voice channel. It's relatively simple, and then do that ! record to start recording. Then you can stop it and use this command report at, and then the user's name, and then reason. Okay, you have groups. I didn't put this in an embed. Embeds are like these boxes here, mainly because I want to be able to easily edit this. So you have announcements, nothing here yet, but this video will be there soon. YouTube announcements, I can add your channel there if you want. Suggest your bot, you're not supposed to be here. Polls, I can add polls and you can vote on them. Notifications rules, so I recommend going here. You can enable notifications on Discord announcements, server announcements, and polls. Bot commands, run bot commands here. Welcome, goodbye shows who's joined. Main chat, you have the main chat, talk about whatever. You have media, YouTubers if you have YouTube rank. Suggestions, just type a suggestion in chat and you can suggest, you can vote on them. It's relatively simple. And then we have all the groups. I will fill in the names as I get more in. So tickets, you can open tickets here. Open a ticket with ticket open. Okay, and it'll create like a new channel, right? And in there you can talk with staff personally. You can bug report, starting a war, if you need help with anything. You can close a ticket with this. Subject is basically the reason why you're opening this, you know, what you're talking about. You can add users, so this is good if you're like trying to go over like why you want to start a war. And you can remove users, and you can rename a ticket. This shows ticket status, and this shows the closed tickets. You can join Speak Live. Live is, you can only, so in Speak you can't screen share or video. Live you can. YouTubers, just YouTube Talk. And you have your group voice chat, which I can access. I have a private VC, which I can move you guys into. In AFK, you'll go here if you're AFK. That's pretty simple, relatively easy Discord. Like, there's not really much to talk about. But yeah, I have to fix this. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope this helps. Again, if you need any more help, open a ticket on the Discord. So yeah, hope this was helpful. I'm releasing this on Sunday, so watch it as soon as possible. Bye!